Oh, we out.
How you turn your back for cash? All you had to do was ask. Hit the blunt, I'm doing the dash. Certain niggas just want dash. I was constantly paying my dues. That perk was keeping me cool. Smoke the crib, I was skipping school. Don't judge me, I was a fool. I ain't worried about no Grammys.
What's up, YouTube, man? So today it is raining outside. Kind of messed my video up, but I had it planned today. We gonna shoot a video. You know, something. I don't know what it was, but we gonna do a POV drive in this Dodge Charger RT. If you don't know, man, we is riding the big boy Brembos, and it is Catless, and I just put the Demon Hood on it. So I got a lot of stuff coming in, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a short POV of this bad boy. They do definitely scream. It's definitely kind of illegal, but you know, y'all gonna thank me later, man. After y'all see the full bill, after a while, I'm gonna do this, get a little thumbnail, then we gonna get right to it. Yeah, so we back to it, man. If y'all don't know, I am riding a 9 drive. Shit, I'm kind of wet right now.
What?
We gonna turn it up though, and we raining. Yeah, it's kind of dangerous, so yeah, let's get to it, man. Already sliding. I forgot to tell y'all, man, I am LSD swap too. If y'all don't know, I am LSD swap, and I'm lowered. So yeah, my car do rub, you know, hitting some corners, but for the most part, it's pretty decent though. Yeah, we within Illinois with it too, if y'all wonder. Man, that joint sounds so good. Hemi 5.7. A lot of people they always try to compare these to the 6.4s.
We don't care.
Let me tell you something. We don't care.
You know, ain't nothing wrong with the 6.4s. That's like the big brothers though. But as far as reliability within the Hemi, I definitely would choose a 5.7. But yeah, and you could build more. I'm gonna do some videos on that too later, like, you know, what you could do to them. I probably need to turn that down. Man, we sliding so much. I do got some decent tires on my car too, but it ain't too crazy or nothing like that. But I got a lot of stuff coming for this car, man. It definitely pop out a lot. If y'all don't know, right now, I am from Chicago. We in Waukegan right now though. So I was just, you know, shoot something for my YouTube, because I normally don't post, but I gotta get to it, man. My car is dope, you know. So I gotta start showing, you know, people what's going on. 5 spokes, I'm lowered. You know, a lot of people, they got questions on that, and I'm Catless. So I'm LSD swap. Man, I gotta do some more stuff though, man. As far as like engine wise, I just got a cold and air intake. I am stock, but I plan on, you know, doing some tunes later, because I do want to shoot some flames. So I got that coming soon. I ain't gonna talk too much, and I think I do got a rap coming. So I don't know if y'all know about 9 drive, but I do ride in P1. Y'all can hear that boy screaming. Man, it sounds so ridiculous. I'm kind of mad I don't have my head camera right now, so I'm really holding his phone, but y'all get the picture though, man. As long as y'all get the, you know, get some introduction going on, you know. I am stock on the interior too. I just got the sport seats. I am thinking about, you know, doing some leather changes later though, but I'm trying to see what color. I might do red, blue red, give you Superman vibes or something, you know. That color smacks so hard, man. So yeah, got the Beats by Dre. My car isn't even really like clean right now. I really don't drive it, but I'm finna get to it, man. Making a lot of more content. And I hate these lights right here. The lights are always stopping me. Oh snap, we got the we got the we got the boys. We slide and taking off. play with the downshifts. Idle is crazy. You know what's crazy though? I am Catless, but my stuff kind of do pop. Like, it just ain't that loud pop I want though. You know, I want something that's gonna wake a block up 3 blocks away. You know, that's what I want. So I was looking at underground tuning. I might do mess with them. To be honest, they in St. Louis. They ain't that far. I might just pull up. You know, cop a tune. So if y'all see this underground tuning, man, look out on somebody. Look out on the price. But I mean, it's worth the price though. Ain't nobody doing it like them, so. Tell me how y'all like this RT badge on the steering wheel. I've been had it, but you know, I have put these on there to match it a little bit. They kind of give it a little different until I do a full steering wheel swap. Man, look at this goofy. Cut me clean off. You don't do that while I'm in a Charger, man. I'm in a rear drive car. Brembos don't help in the rain for real. But they do. Let me stop lying. Man, I wish I was like in person. I don't think the camera can actually justify like how loud this car screaming right now, man. If you was to ride past me, bro, like you would think like I'm in like a scat or something. Like, that's how loud it is. I feel like anybody who got a 5.7, you gotta go Catless. Oh, we almost slid right there. Y'all see that? Y'all almost slid. Oh, it's getting trenches out here. I'm gonna give y'all that content though, man. God know how to drive, so that ain't my problem. A lot of people, they go out here crashing. That ain't my thing right there. You know, you riding in the rain, you know what's going on with it. If you try to hit your car too hard, all that, y'all gonna see the whole thing, so. Yeah. I am finna go grab something to eat though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I can't lie though, it's like, if you swap your LSD, if you swap your differential, I mean, you definitely, it feel like your car definitely sliding more. Like, I ain't gonna lie, if you got like a open diff, which comes stock on RTs, like you will notice you got better like handling. But like if you trying to slide, it ain't gonna do it. It ain't gonna do justice for you. I'm just gonna tell you that. Man, there's so many polices outside today. Let me put the phone down real quick. They gone now. Yeah, but man, I might grab a little bowl from Chipotle's right quick.
Chipotle's my line.
I heard that if you walk inside Chipotle's, man, that if you have your phone out, they gonna load your bowl up. I'm definitely finna go in there, even though I tell them extra stuff on my bowl anyway. So I'm definitely finna go in there and do it though. I'm gonna leave y'all record. I'm gonna leave it on recorded too, man. Just to grab some. Yeah. We don't even park right around this joint. I ain't gonna lie to you. We finna pull it right here. We ain't putting nothing on either. And I'm gonna do a cold, well, that ain't a cold start, but I'm gonna do a auto start. So y'all hear this joint. I think I'm gonna grab me a smoothie over here too. Like, fuck it. You know, if you got will, man, we do it one hand if you got will, bro. If you got wheel for real, man, we don't drive with two hands. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you drive with two hands, you up. Nah, let me stop playing. But nah, we do drive with one hand though. I really get active like that. We catch the wheel with one hand, slide with one hand. We do everything with one hand. Hey man, you see this goofy on my bumper, man? He tweaking. Just doing anything. They doing anything, literally. Pull up to the joint. If y'all know that detox from that boy Tropical. We tropical in the tropical. It get tropical where it's tropical. You pull up, man. Go grab me a smoothie. We back at it though. Oh, trying to get sideways. Man, I really wish I had my head camera right now. It'll make it easy. I'll probably look weird though. They be like, what's that big ass box on his head? You feel me? If y'all hear that, man, we kinda popping though. That's what's crazy. We kinda popping though. I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot of downshifting. I can't really do too much right now. It's rain on the ground, of course. You know, I ain't trying to spin out, end up over there in a ditch somewhere. So, you know, I gotta take it slow. So, next time I pull out my camera, do a POV though, it's going down. That's all I gotta say. It's going down.
Nice.
LSD, you gotta ride slow, man. There ain't no way around it. Cause, man, these ain't one of them cars, a Nissan or something. You know, you can push the gas. It don't expect nothing to happen. I just almost turned the wheel myself, man. Trying to drink some of my smoothie. But yeah, you gotta take your time driving these cars, man, cause these sound so sick. This the first time I rode my car in the rain. Just I put the hood on. I did wrap the hood, luckily, cause they started changing colors for some reason. I wish that they make them, you know, where they like a satin paint type, you know, where you don't have to wrap them. But after a while, you know, they start looking all ashy and shit. So I had to do that. I just got the front bumpers painted. They was the gloss red. Now they probably gonna look like some damn orange or some shit after all this rain and dirt get on them. Which that's another thing I hate cleaning, bro. Inside of the wheels on these, bro. Like, I don't know why they just get so dirty. At first I had the regular brakes, you know, the RT. I did it come on the V6s and the RTs. I swapped those, bro. Them brakes, I could not keep them clean for nothing. I put the Brembos on there then. Man, it seemed like it's still the same. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little easier though. I think cause the caliper ain't so much as exposed at the front. But bro, they still collect so much dust. And I'm riding ceramic. So that's kinda crazy to me. But yeah, that's crazy. Remember y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. I do got a lot of stuff I'm finna start doing on this channel. Speed limit 30. Do 40 past that motherfucker. I can't even hit the gas for real, man. My tail slip out every time. For some reason, since this weather been changing, I've been feeling kind of sick though for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, that's kind of crazy. It's gonna be dope though. Man, I can't even turn without sliding. Rain, bro. bro, these tires, I ain't gonna lie, I am riding some tires. I normally ride my 275s on the back. I think I'm riding some 265s right now, but man, these tires is garbage. I ain't gonna lie to you. They real garbage. Man, I'm gonna get y'all this probably tomorrow morning. And yeah, we gonna shoot something else after that. I might do something on my ride height or, you know, should you grab RT. So tune in, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff around here. Peace.